Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup on March 15th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Valeant Pharmaceuticals cuts its guidance for 2016, with sales predicted to be in the range of $11 billion to $11.2 billion, down from an earlier estimate of $12.5 billion to $12.7 billion. Meanwhile, annual earnings per share are forecast to be between $9.50 and $10.50, lowered from a prior prediction of $13.25 to $13.75. Also featured, Eli Lilly altered the main goal of a Phase 3 study investigating solanezumab in people with mild Alzheimer's dementia to include a single assessment of cognition. The trial previously had co-primary endpoints of cognition and function, with the company noting that the change reflected emerging scientific evidence. In other news, Express Scripts said that U.S. spending on prescription drugs rose 5.2% in 2015, roughly half the rate seen in 2014. The pharmacy benefit manager indicated that it included rebates in its annual drug spending report for the first time, which cut 2.7 percentage points off growth. In addition, Roche and Blueprint Medicines signed a deal potentially worth more than $1 billion to develop drugs targeting kinases believed to be important in cancer immunotherapy. Under the terms, Roche will make an upfront payment of $45 million, with Blueprint Medicines eligible to receive up to $965 million in milestone payments. And finally, Salado Pharmaceuticals' Vyxeos significantly improved overall survival in patients with high-risk acute myeloid leukemia versus standard of care in a Phase 3 study. The company said that it expects to submit a filing to the FDA later this year, as well as an application in Europe in the first quarter of 2017. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.